So why I have written this over here and also the foundation works over here is that because these are my summary tasks. Okay, so organizing tasks into summary tasks and also the sub tasks helps to structure your project, making it easier to manage. So how do I make this MS tutorial project, that is the project name, as the summary task? You select the task and you go to task menu over here, and from here you can see this outdent task option, and if you click on it, and it will say that this task can't be outdented any further. So what you have to do is that you have to indent other tasks. So what do? You select all the tasks like this, and after that you click on this option, indent task. Okay, now you can see that MS project is highlighted over here. It's in bold fonts now, and you see that all these things have gone inside. And if you collapse this task, then you will see that all the tasks get collapsed, which means that now these all tasks are a part of the MS tutorial task. Okay, and this task is called the summary task, and the duration of this task will depend on the duration of all these tasks, and the start date will depend on the first task that starts, and the finish date of this task depend on the last task that is inside this MS tutorial project task that will finish last, right? So this will be my master summary task. Why I have created it's because at the end it will calculate the total duration of the project. So mobilization, surveying and layout, foundation works. So foundation works, these all things are related to the foundation works. So what do? We select all these works, and you can again go here and click on indent task, or what you can do is that you can go over here, and once you see this arrow, okay, so when you just go over here, you will see this small arrow like this, two-way arrow. Then you click your left mouse button, and after that slide your mouse to the right like this, and leave your left mouse button. Once you see this line, you will see that all the works, they have been indented to the foundation works. So now foundation work is the summary task for all these subtasks. So subtasks are the individual activities that fall under a summary task. Let's say that you want to remove this task over here, reinforcement work of tie beam, this task from the foundation work. You don't want to keep it inside the foundation work. So what do? You just click on this task over here, and after that go over here and click on outdent. Then you will see that this will be outdented, and it has accidentally been made this the summary task for all these tasks. Then you have to select again all these tasks and again outdent them as well. And now you can see that these tasks are not a part of the foundation work. Now they are a part of the MS tutorial project task, right? So we'll select them again and we'll put them inside. So you have to be careful while left or right scrolling the mouse. If you go further inside like this, then these tasks will be the subtasks of brick masonry work, right? So you have to see the line, so it should align with the task first letter, then leave them. Then you can see that these tasks are now the subtasks of the foundation work. So this is the concept of the summary task and the subtasks. There is one more thing, that is the milestone, and we'll see that later.